Good things take time. Speed? It's overrated. You can't rush perfect. Pricey? How about valuable? Invest and reap the profits. Innovation? Disruption? Those are just buzzwords. Solidscape is not for everyone. We don't just make printers. We expand what's possible and give you the tools you need to succeed. We're for perfectionists. We're for the old school. We're for the new school. We're for working smarter, not harder, because your day is long enough already. We're for the ones who like a full night's sleep. We're for the ones who demand precision. Solidscape is for working safer, more responsibly. Our materials are non-toxic, so feel free to take off the gloves. Solidscape is for the fearless, the serious, the creative. So go ahead, cast anything you want. You call it complex, precise, smooth, accurate. We call it Solidscape.